Welcome to JH. In this guide, I'll demonstrate how to utilize the Type tool within Premiere Pro. It is a straightforward process. You can find the tool located just below the hand icon. To activate it, either click the icon or press the T key on your keyboard. By holding down the icon, you will see options for both the standard Type tool and the vertical Type tool. We will use the classic horizontal version for this example. To begin, click and drag on your screen to define the text area, then enter your desired text. Once finished, highlight the text and navigate to the Effect Controls panel. If this panel isn't visible, locate it through the top drop-down menu. Within Effect Controls, click the arrow to expand the text settings. From here, you can choose between regular or bold fonts, switch to all caps, and modify the letter spacing. Additionally, you can adjust the alignment to the center, change the color to red, for instance, and use the scale option to increase the text size. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.